Kevin, I'm out here at the Milk Crate in Lakewood. I'm used to the one in Borough Park, but I heard the one in Lakewood is trippy, like next level. So if you're in Lakewood, you gotta stop into the Milk Crate here, Kevin. Let's check it over here. Woof! Wow! Josh!
Hi, how are you? Welcome.
How you doing?
Thank you.
Wow, I'm a big fan of your Borough Park location, and I've heard if you're a fan of Milk Crate, this is the place you gotta come to in Lakewood.
We have the Borough Park Milk Crate on our cups. You know, you can never forget.
Oh my goodness, this is the Borough Park location there, Kevin. Get my kick over there, 13 and 49.
Arson, what's up, guys? We miss you. I miss my team.
Wow, you have Chase Banker with you. You're missing multi-from kosher discount.
I'm missing multi-from kosher discount. There's nothing like
you got the Borough Park location here too.
That.
This place, I've been told, is next level. The trippiness you have here is something else.
Thank you. We are so excited to have you. Hello, Chaim. Hello, Chaim fans. Hello, Chaim family. Welcome to Milk Crate. We're so excited to have you. Come take a look around.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We usually start from the ceiling, the floor, the walls. I mean, every time this place is, I saw a picture of this place. It looks different. You guys change it every week?
Listen up. Close your eyes. Walk in. Take a load off. Everything will be okay. Take a look around.
We should be starting showing the flowers here, Kevin.
This is a little Shabbos kodesh, a little flowers, a little herring, a little challah.
You guys are literally in the middle of painting now?
Listen, every decision that's made in Milk Crate is, will this warm people's hearts? And this room was missing a little fire. So we started painting this. I think this looks so much more beautiful right now.
It looks awesome, the walls over here. Beautiful,
thank you,
gorgeous.
Thank you. We're trying to constantly, play around. This is nothing, no one in life is perfect, including Milk Crate coffee. I tell everyone, we're a 4 stars at best. Why? Because we're always growing, we're always trying, we'll always do better. Hence this.
Look at this. Rollerblade from the wall. You are amazing. Let's dive into Milk Crate, Kevin.
Sure, hop on in. Let's take a look around. Let me get you a little coffee, a little tea, a little food, a little pastries. Let's go try everything. Chaim, let me show you some of our pastries. Swing around to this side over here. So first things first, this is an amaretto cake.
Oh my goodness.
Chaim, up over here. This is the key. There's nothing like your mother's amaretto cake. The way it's in your house, this is a Shabbos amaretto cake. There's nothing like this, I must say. After all this yumminess, there's a butter croissant. We do a peach cobbler here that's out of this world. The almond croissant, I'm obsessed with this one. Every day I come here, I'm like, Josh, please don't eat another almond croissant. I fight with myself over this one. This is Dubai chocolate, that's a classic. Blueberry cheese Danish. This is a cinnamon roll. I love that one. Okay, this is called a toasty. This one is super popular, super awesome. It's basically a hard-boiled egg, smoky aioli, Munster cheese, and focaccia bread. It's mazonis. People have to grab one of these on the way in the morning, on the way to work. You grab one of these with a coffee, and you start your day with a hard-boiled egg, something healthy. We have some muffins. We have some gluten-free cookies, gluten-free chocolate chip, red velvet. This is really our pastry offering. And we have a couple of other options that I'm not showing here in the video. We don't have time for everything.
Tell me your orders you take on that phone.
This phone is, I'm waiting for a call. It hasn't come through yet. In the meantime, I use whatever, but I'm waiting for this one.
That's the vibe here, guys. The vibe here is unreal.
I'm going to give a direct line to you. You
okay,
ever need anything,
that's my followers. You call that number, you get a free.
Exactly, that is a promotion.
I'm standing here, Josh, for about 15 minutes before I started this video. I was just observing the people coming over here. The smile you give each person that walks in here. And you know people on a first-name basis. That's amazing.
I just want to tell you, before I came to Lakewood, I was a little nervous what the customer... I'm here. This is the nicest customer base I've ever seen in my life. I love my Borough Park customers. But over here, I was so surprised on how nice and ibigay people are over here. And really, I'm just giving what I'm getting. Like, people come in here, I have especially first-time customers come in with the biggest smile, like, what is this place? I feel like they're swimming in, and they just float up to the counter.
The trippiness hits you, that it's almost like you put something in the ear over here.
Okay, just imagine you're sitting over here and some guy floats over to you with this weird goofy smile because he's looking around.
He's looking around. This place is just, you see stuff hanging from the ceiling. It's just like, whoa, what's going on over here?
I don't have another way to respond. It's just kind of funny. I literally drive to work every day and I'm giddy that I'm going to come here and all I'm going to do is have a good time. Yes, I'm managing and whatever, but really all I'm doing is sitting here and schmoozing with the best people. It's fun. I'm telling you, you have to come back here for a day and just see what I go through over here. It's fun. It's such a pleasure.
It's a blast. It's a blast.
Yes. Chaim, and there is more. Yes, we do a lot of awesome pastries, a lot of delicious coffee, but we have a full cafe with yummy food. We don't use any seed oils here, so we use, again, this is what I eat at my house, so I use avocado oil, olive oil, I like to use good healthy butter, and outside of that, I don't like to use any of the no preservatives or stuff like that. So this is basically our food offering over here. We have a bunch of other things.
My gosh.
So this item, I don't know what's wrong with this sandwich, it's called a smash witch. It's an omelet, mozzarella, cream cheese, avocado. This is literally what I like to eat when I go out to eat. This is my favorite sandwich. I don't know if people like it. People seem to order it, but really they're ordering my sandwich. This is an avocado open toast, obviously. This is a vegetable soup. I want to tell you a little secret. This vegetable soup takes around 8 hours to make.
8 hours?
This friend of mine is a chef, and he made this soup. I'm like, this is the best soup. I said, give me the recipe. I thought I'm going to mix a couple things together. 8 hours later, this is what the soup is. This is a hulami salad. I love hulami cheese. It's just one of those delicious Israeli cheeses. This is a baby bella quesadilla. It's fresh mushrooms sauteed with avocado oil, salt, and pepper. That's it, with some cheese and whatever else. This is a summer harvest salad. You can't go wrong with a feta, whatever that is.
Okay. What's this?
This is a French onion soup with some melted cheese, some
Croutons.
croutons, sourdough croutons.
Right?
Of course. Come on, stop asking. You know.
Crazy. I thought it was just pastries. Now you take me to this table over here.
Listen, we try to frame it like a coffee shop because I love the coffee side so much, and we started that way. So that's why you come in here, it feels very much like a coffee shop. But on the other side, we have a full commercial kitchen. We do all these things in house.
That's not normal.
And this is basically what I love to eat. That's really what we're having over here.
Awesome over there.
This is a real classic latte. There's nothing like coming into a coffee shop, taking a seat, and don't take a to-go cup with a to-stay cup. There's nothing more delicious than that.
Crazy. This is crazy. What's going on over here? Oh, this is the pastries.
Yeah, these are some pastries we saw before.
Ah, great. This is great.
Yes.
This is great. Can I see your egg? That's your egg, right? The avocado. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're blowing my mind here.
Look, everything we try to do everything very, very simple, but elevated. Nothing too crazy because our customers like just classic good food. I don't like to do things crazy like, you know, just like ricotta, weird cheese. No. Very, very simple, classic, and yummy. That's the objective of everything. And everything here obviously warms your heart.
This is great. This is great.
Here, guys. Let's bring the rest of the food. I just want you to see, I love this dish of shakshuka and a pizza that we make over here. This is so yummy.
Oh my goodness. That looks insane. One question I'm sure you get from many people, how do you stay so in shape, so skinny, with all the food around you?
Look, the more time I spend there, the more handsome, the more younger, the more delicious I look, you know, but it has to do with all this yummy food. Really, since I opened this store over here, I do feel like I'm 10 years younger.
Really?
I come here excited to be here every day. The food is delicious, the coffee is amazing. What else can I ask for?
Kevin, it's worth the drive from Borough Park, because the Borough Park, you don't have all this.
In Borough Park, we have most of this. We don't have like 2-3 items,
Right.
but outside of that, all of this food we have in Borough Park.
That you have in Borough Park, right.
Yes. But over here we have a bigger kitchen.
Kevin, just the vibe here, you have to do it in Borough Park. I mean, you're missing space. It's tight.
I know we are squeezed in there, but I'll tell you something else. The Borough Park store has the best energy of anything. You go there, that store is alive.
13th Avenue energy.
Over here it's more mellow and calm.
Lakewood,
this is like a hug in a cup. There is like, it's spiral.
The energy.
Yes,
especially it's next to Lala Lipstick over there.
Yes, but
over
over there,
from Kosher Discount, you have the full energy.
But over there, there's Avrami there, there's Arsen there, there's the team there.
See that, Kevin? He knows the guys with the first name base.
Chaim, come with me to the main dining area. Before you go, you have to say hello to my...
The monkey.
There's a monkey, there's a duck. Listen, this is our mascot over here. This is our latest mascot. I hope he survives and we don't get too hungry one day. The food is good, so we'll be okay. But come on, take a look. There's more than enough seating for everything. Listen, don't tell anybody, but that is a McKinsey child cow.
That's a McKinsey,
Of course.
That's a McKinsey. Oh my goodness.
My favorite McKinsey child here is my mezuzahs, though. So.
Wow, Kevin, McKinsey mezuzahs. Wow. Wow, look at this ballroom here. This is amazing, the space you have here. Gorgeous. What does it say on the roof there?
This says coffee. This is, I was dying to make a sign look just like this. These letters are like 6 feet tall. This thing is made up of 312 light bulbs.
312 light bulbs.
This is what makes the place feel so warm. You see these lights are so dull, it kind of just warms up the whole room. This is why you feel so magical over here.
The magical vibe here.
Look, we even have a bookcase over here. This is, if you want to take a book, you got to drop off a book. And it has to be a better book than you took. You cannot just
drop off a better book than you took.
That's the rule. We have people coming in here complaining why there's no Holocaust books, so we tell them drop off Holocaust. We have Nanach books. We have kids books. I have a book here somewhere. I saw this. It's like a book from the 1820s or something.
Really?
I saw this guy here for 45 minutes reading my 1820s book. I hope he didn't take it.
So people could just come here and read books.
Listen, it's been here to enjoy.
I love this milk crate. What is it? Real flowers?
So originally we had this logo that I mamish hated. I kind of made a version just like this and a little smaller in my Borough Park store. So when we opened here, naturally we needed to make it bigger, better, ready for Lakewood. So this is basically my mother's dining room table. Me, my wife, my mother, we got together and we put this thing together. This thing is made with epoxy. My mother has a beautiful dining room table. There's epoxy everywhere. My mother definitely wants to kill me right now. I'm probably disowned because of this thing alone.
Wow, milk crate. I have to meet your mother much. You said the bun cake comes from your mother, that cake in the front.
The bun cake comes from Avrami Lieberman, my cousin in Borough Park. His wife makes them. She's a cook like you've never seen. It's her recipe. I want to throw it out there.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure my mother makes a good bun cake too, but not like Avrami Lieberman's.
That's great. This table over here looks massive.
Yes, this is a 22 seating table. If you come here with an entire huge group, a huge family, we have a little place for you. Of course, we're waiting for you.
Wow, look at the vibe. The sunlight comes in from the back. Energy in this room is just like, you feel it. You feel it, Kevin.
If you want maybe...
Josh, what's this mirror over here?
This is, the
hum of the milk crate has its own heartbeat and you matched it.
Look, when you come here, this place invites certain kinds of people. People that sense the feeling of having to come here, show up here. This is why I'm telling you, I stand there by the register and it just makes me happy to see the people that come in here. It's only the best people come here. Come take a step into where you can watch all...
What is this, the bathroom?
This is our bathroom.
I've never had a restaurant owner show me his bathrooms, but if you say, oh my goodness, look at his bathrooms, Kevin. This is the first going into the restaurant's bathrooms, I'm vlogging it. But Kevin, you gotta check out these bathrooms here. Wow, what is this? Today's good mood is sponsored by Milk Crate Coffee.
I don't know, the bathroom may be the best room in the coffee shop, you know, but you decide.
So
you sit where you want to sit.
So when people come in, you tell them check out the bathroom.
Listen, the food is good, but the bathroom is great. You
I
know?
love this vibe. The vibe, Kevin. Look at the vibe. The cows coming out of the wall, the Mackenzie cows. Look at the detail, guys. Look at this plant is hanging from a hook. Look what the hook is made out of, a guitar. So like this is detail oriented. You can just come here, spend hours and hours. A safety pin. Where do you come up with these stuff over here? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Rollerblades with the vibe in the back, the lighting. This is insane. This is insane.
Every item that's here is curated, meant to be exactly in the spot it's supposed to be.
Wow.
This cow belongs here. Nothing would look better in this spot aside for this McKinsey child cow.
What is this over here, Josh?
Okay, I'm very proud of this pour over menu. We have a bunch of different options over here. We have a bunch of organic coffee, we have single origins, we have some really, really nice stuff, medium, light roast, caniculture coffee. These guys are amazing. These guys are obsessed with coffee like I've never seen people obsessed with coffee. It always drives me crazy a little bit. But anyway, so let me show you like a simple pour over. We have this thing over here. Everything gets grind to a certain level. It gets weighed. Everything is very, very precise here. We have this machine over here. I have everything pre-programmed. So for example, this is giving me 22 grams of coffee over 3.5 minute period of time and 300 grams. All these things are computerized to give you the ideal taste of these coffees. The pour overs really are unbelievable.
Look at that, Kevin. Check it out. Wow. This is something unique.
Chaim, I know you're a big fan of Milk Crate, so we are going to make you a truffle twist. This is the original home of the truffle twist, and let me show you how it goes. Chaim, the rest of this you can just fast forward, so you can just ignore the talking.
All right, Kevin, let's fast forward this and watch the show.
So now every shot of espresso over here, we have a scale here that weighs everything. So we have the inputs to the coffee over here, 18.2 grams. The output is 27 seconds to 39.7 grams. All these things get timed down measured. And when it doesn't, when it falls out of a specific ratio, and the coffee just does not taste good. So we're constantly watching these things to make sure that your shot works. And again, these things are like these are little details that are very small, but they're actually huge when it comes to taste. We would not give you a bad cup of coffee. Of course, especially not you.
Okay, let's go.
And then this is the one that's enjoyed like no other.
Wow, the heart, the love. Kevin, wanna taste it? Wow.
Listen up. You don't have to pay me. You don't have to do anything. You come here and you give that. That is all the payment I asked for. That is so much worth. That's more than a $20 latte. That's not matter.
I forgive you another one.
You sure? I mean, you're paying for 2 lattes here.
Kevin, Milk Crate. You don't want to miss this place. Come on in.